Are you feeling overwhelmed by life's challenges? Finding it hard to keep going when faced with adversity? Let me share with you a Buddhist story that will inspire you to never give up. Once upon a time, in a tranquil village nestled between rolling hills and murmuring streams, there lived a young boy named Kavi. Kavi was known for his kind heart and radiant smile that never seemed to fade, even in the face of life's challenges. Kavi's family, like many in the village, earned their livelihood by cultivating rice paddies. One year, a severe drought struck the region, leaving the fields barren, and the villagers worried about the approaching famine. Kavi's family faced tough times, and they struggled to make ends meet. Despite the adversity, Kavi maintained his positive outlook on life. He found solace in the teachings of the village monk, Venerable Dhamma, who was renowned for his wisdom and compassion. One day, Kavi approached Venerable Dhamma seeking guidance on how to navigate the hardships that had befallen his family and the village. Venerable Dhamma, with his serene demeanor, listened attentively to Kavi's concerns. He then shared a story that had been passed down through generations, a story that held the essence of never giving up in the face of adversity. In a distant land, began Venerable Dhamma, there lived a skilled archer named Arjun. He was renowned for his precision and accuracy with the bow and arrow. The king of the land, hearing of Arjun's prowess, summoned him to the royal court with a challenge. The king placed a wooden bird high up in a tree and asked Arjun to hit the bird's eye with his arrow. However, there was a catch. The king declared that Arjun could only take the shot with his eyes blindfolded. Kavi's eyes widened in amazement as he imagined the challenging task set before Arjun. Venerable Dhamma continued. Arjun, though initially uncertain, accepted the challenge. He stood before the tree, blindfolded, with his bow and arrow ready. The court gathered in hushed anticipation as Arjun focused his mind and honed his senses. Before releasing the arrow, Arjun heard the king ask, "What do you see?" Arjun calmly replied, "I see the bird, the tree, the leaves, and the branches." The king nodded and allowed Arjun to take the shot. To everyone's astonishment, Arjun's arrow found its mark, piercing the bird's eye with unparalleled precision. The king, impressed by Arjun's skill, asked him the secret behind his success. Venerable Dhamma paused, allowing the essence of the story to sink in. He looked into Kavi's eyes and said, "The secret, dear Kavi, lies in focus, perseverance, and unwavering determination." Arjun did not let the blindfold obstruct his vision, for he saw beyond the physical world. Similarly, in life, we must look beyond our immediate challenges and cultivate the strength to persevere. Inspired by the story, Kavi decided to embody the lessons imparted by Venerable Dhamma. He embraced the spirit of resilience and approached each day with a renewed sense of purpose. As weeks passed, the village faced the brunt of the drought. The once lush fields now lay dry and barren. Many villagers were on the verge of despair, but Kavi's optimism became a beacon of hope. He took it upon himself to uplift the spirits of those around him, reminding them of the impermanence of both joy and sorrow. One day, as Kavi was walking through the desolate fields, he noticed a small puddle of water. Eager to make a difference, he gathered the villagers and proposed a communal effort to dig a network of channels that would direct the scarce water to their fields. Initially met with skepticism, Kavi's unwavering enthusiasm and determination slowly won over the villagers. Together, they embarked on the challenging task, digging channels under the scorching sun. Kavi, with his radiant smile, worked side by side with the elders and the children, fostering a sense of unity and purpose. As they labored, Venerable Dhamma visited the village to check on their progress. Observing the collective effort, he nodded in approval and shared another teaching with Kavi. Life, like the fields, goes through cycles of abundance and scarcity, Venerable Dhamma explained. It is our response to these cycles that shapes our journey. Just as you and the villagers are channeling the water to nurture the fields, in life, we must channel our efforts and energies toward positive and constructive paths. Kavi listened intently, absorbing the wisdom that echoed through the peaceful village. Days turned into weeks, and the villagers, fueled by determination and a sense of community, successfully directed the water to their fields. Miraculously, the once barren land began to show signs of life. tender green shoots emerged, promising a bountiful harvest. The news of the village's success spread, and neighboring villages sought guidance from Kavi and the villagers on how to overcome their own challenges. Kavi, now a symbol of resilience and hope, humbly shared the teachings of Venerable Dhamma in the story of Arjuna, emphasizing the importance of unwavering determination and unity in the face of adversity. As the harvest season approached, the village thrived with an abundance of rice. The collective effort, guided by Kavi's optimism and the timeless teachings of Venerable Dhamma, had turned the tide of misfortune. Venerable Dhamma visited the village once more to congratulate Kavi and the villagers on their success. He shared a final piece of guidance with Kavi. Life is a journey of ups and downs, and the key lies in embracing each moment with equanimity. Just as the fields are nourished by both sunshine and rain, our lives are shaped by joy and challenges. Remember, young Kavi, to cultivate a heart that remains steady in the face of change. And so, Kavi continued his journey through life, carrying the teachings of Venerable Dhamma in his heart. The once barren field stood as a testament to the power of unwavering determination, resilience, and the understanding that, in the grand tapestry of life, each thread, whether joy or sorrow, contributed to the beauty of the whole. As Kavi continued to weave the tapestry of his life, the lessons learned from the village's triumph over adversity became embedded in his very being. The journey had not only transformed the fields, but also the hearts of the villagers, instilling within them a profound understanding of life's rhythms. The first life lesson that Kavi embraced was the impermanence of both joy and sorrow. He realized that just as the fields experience cycles of abundance and scarcity, so did the human experience. Life's challenges, like the drought that befell the village, were temporary, and the key lay in facing them with patience and resilience. Kavi learned to appreciate the fleeting nature of joy, savoring the moments of abundance while understanding that they too would evolve. The second lesson was the power of focus and determination. Kavi recalled the story of Arjuna, the skilled archer who, blindfolded, had hit the mark with unwavering precision. In the face of life's challenges, Kavi understood the importance of honing his focus, seeing beyond immediate obstacles, and maintaining a steadfast determination to overcome adversity. He encouraged others to adopt a similar mindset, recognizing that the human spirit held immense strength when guided by purpose. Unity and collective effort formed the third invaluable lesson for Kavi. The success of the village in redirecting water to the fields was a testament to the transformative power of community. Together, the villagers had faced a common challenge, and through shared effort, they had triumphed. Kavi carried this lesson forward, encouraging collaboration and fostering a sense of togetherness wherever he went. He believed that a united community could weather any storm and emerge stronger on the other side. Armed with these life lessons, Kavi became a source of encouragement for those around him. His infectious optimism served as a beacon of hope, especially during moments of doubt. Kavi reminded others that challenges were not insurmountable obstacles, but opportunities for growth and transformation. His words, inspired by the teachings of Venerable Dhamma, resonated with those facing their own struggles, offering solace and a pathway forward. In times of difficulty, Kavi often shared a simple yet profound encouragement. Just as the sun rises after the darkest night, so does hope emerge from the depths of despair. Embrace the challenges with an open heart, for they are the threads that weave the fabric of your resilience. Every obstacle is a stepping stone, and every setback is a prelude to a comeback. His words carried the wisdom of the village's journey, reminding others to cultivate patience, maintain unwavering determination, and seek support from their communities. Kavi's encouragement went beyond mere optimism. It carried the weight of lived experience and the resilience of a community that had turned barren fields into flourishing landscapes. So, when you feel like giving up, remember this Buddhist wisdom. Embrace failure as a necessary part of your journey. Learn, grow, and keep moving forward, because within you lies the strength to overcome any obstacle. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it inspiring, please subscribe to our channel for more uplifting content.